Welcome. If you're looking to control who can interact with you on Messenger without completely blocking them, the Restrict feature is your best friend. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to restrict someone on Messenger, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see your list of recent chats. Find and tap on the conversation with the person you want to restrict. This will open your chat with them. Next, look to the very top of the screen where you'll see the person's name or their profile picture. Tap on it. This brings up their profile details and a menu of options related to your interactions with them. Now simply scroll down through the menu until you find the option labeled Restrict. Tap on it. Messenger will ask you to confirm if you want to restrict this person. Once you confirm, you're all set. The person is now restricted. So, what does restricting someone actually do? When you restrict a contact, their messages will no longer appear in your main chat list. Instead, their messages go straight to your message requests folder, and you won't get notifications from them. They also won't be able to see when you're active or if you've read their messages. Importantly, they won't be notified that you've restricted them, so it's a discreet way to create some distance without causing any awkwardness. If you ever change your mind, you can easily unrestrict someone. Just head back to their profile, scroll down and tap Unrestrict, or manage all your restricted accounts from the Messenger settings under Privacy and Safety. That's all there is to it. Using the Restrict feature is a simple and effective way to manage your Messenger experience and keep your chats comfortable and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for staying in control of your online conversations. Thanks for watching.